Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Osman, and today I will be presenting my assignment polymer, which is the given topic to me is plastic for implants. These are the contexts that I will be presenting throughout my presentation. The first one is the introduction. What does plastic for implants means? For your knowledge, plastic for implants can be described as a device or a tool that made from plastics that will support the function of the body by implant or install it into the body temporarily or permanently. The second one is for the history of implants. Little did we know, implants already have been practiced in our human history since 4,000 years ago, and such as in Chinese civilization by using bamboo packs to replace missing teeth. And later on, the Egyptians find a way to repair the jawbones by adding metal plate into the bone. As an implantation using plastic materials, it is started being used since 1961 by American plastic surgeon Thomas Cronin and Frank Grau and the company for silicone breast implant. These are the example of plastic-based implants. The first one is knee implants, which is to replace damaged bones and cartilage at the knee joint. A knee replacement can be more accurately be termed as a knee resurfacing because only the surface of the bone is only that been replaced. The second example is hip implants. Hip implants containing a ball and a socket, which is the ball is made from metal or ceramics, or the socket is made from the plastics. The function is to restore mobility and relieve pain at the pelvic area. And the third example is intraocular lens, which is implanted permanently into the eye to correct the vision and to reduce a nearsight effect. The next example is contraceptive intrauterine device, which is placed inside the uterus to prevent pregnancy. And the next example is breast implants, which is to replace the real breast with artificial breast that made of saline gel and silicone gel. And for the next example is dental implants, which is the replacement of a damaged or missing teeth with artificial teeth that usually made from metal and plastic and ceramics. These are the plastic materials that are being used for implants. And for the first materials is polyethylene. Polyethylene is the most common plastic and it is often one of the materials that used in medical implants because of its porous synthetic polymer and it is biologically motionless and does not degrade in the body. And for the second material is polyethylene foam, which is used in making of catheter tubing, wound dressings, and injection molded device, but it is common use in short-term implants. And for the third material is polylactic acid, which are being used in making screws for implants. The reason of using polyacrylic screws is because they are biocompatible and biodegradable compared to metal screws. And for the next material is silicone. Silicone gel most likely causes no non-human allergies or reaction. This material is well known for being used in breast implants. These are one of the example of plastic for implants for manufacturing process for knee implant. As for the manufacturing process, I take the knee replacement manufacturing process as an example of manufacturing process plastic for implants. Knee templates are standard, but every patient bones are unique. So the early measurement is needed to get the actual measurement by using the MRI scan to create a 3D model for patient bones, femur and tibia. Next, the surgeon will perform a virtual surgery on the model, and after getting the surgeon approval, then the manufacturing for the knee replacement begin. The computer that is specified for the recorded bone cut measurement will guide the 3D printer to produce plastic template. The 3D printer will apply a layer of powder plastic, and it will solidify the powder plastic with the guided area of the given measurement with the laser. Then the process is repeated layer by layer slowly until it builds up the shape. The 3D printer usually makes around 50 different templates for each different patient at one time. By using the laser printer, the manufacturer will inscribe a patient's name and ID codes to each parts and templates. Once the printing are done, the unsolidified plastic are removed. Then it is brushed out the part of the remaining powder from the template. Next, the templates goes into the tumbler containing plastic balls and air jets. As the tumbler rolls about 20 minutes, the plastic balls will knock off and air jet will blow off most of the remaining plastic powder that's still intact at the templates. As the templates almost 90% clean, it will go two more washing cycles to ensure that the template is perfectly clean. Before going to be sterilized and packaged, the template must pass the quality control inspection that is conducted by the quality control engineer. By using the laser, the machine will scan the template to see whether the product is exactly matches the previous computer model that fit with each patient measurement. These are the benefits of plastic for implants, which is the first one is plastic strength, wear resistant impact performance can be same and or comparable to metals, which is more manufacturer likely to choose plastic over metals as it more cheaper than metals. And for the second benefit is plastic materials do not release metal ions in the body, which is plastic is the most likely materials that been chosen in making the implants product. For the next benefit is plastic are less denser than metals, making it weight lighter than metals and make the user more comfortable and easily to move around. And for the last benefits is plastics are the material that easily produce up to large scale and present for diverse modification options. Drawbacks on human body. Although plastic implants seems convincing, there are some drawbacks on human body as the time passes, such as foreign matter such as plastic debris from the plastic implants will enter the body. For the second one is patient's body might feel uncomfortable and awkward around the implanted area because of the not used to have a foreign object reside in their body. The third one is implant could stop working, break or move away from its original location. And for the last one is it is prone to get infection due to skin contamination, especially around the implant area. And for the last one is the conclusion. All in all, plastic for implants are undeniably one of the materials that are vital in today's medication. Its mechanical properties and characteristics marks why plastics are mostly suitable to use as part to implant in our human body. That's all from me. Thank you.